It's a unanimous message from the Indian Parliament to Pakistan. A resolution countering Pakistan's motion on Afzal Guru was moved by Lok Sabha Speaker Meera Kumar today. The strongly worded resolution vehemently condemns Pakistan's motion. Senior BJP leader Yashwant Sinha asked all parties to back the resolution.
This House totally rejects the resolution passed by the National Assembly of Pakistan on March 14, 2013. The House notes that Pakistan has committed that it would not allow its territory to be used for terrorism against India, and only fulfillment of this commitment can be the basis for peaceful relations with Pakistan. The House rejects interference in the internal affairs of India and calls upon the National Assembly of Pakistan to desist from such acts of support for extremists and terrorist elements. The House reiterates that the entire state of Jammu and Kashmir, including the territory under illegal occupation of Pakistan, is and shall always be an integral part of India. Any attempt from any quarter to interfere in the internal affairs of India will be met resolutely and with complete unity of our nation.
इस बार का हमला पाकिस्तान की नेशनल असेंबली की तरफ से हुआ है, क्योंकि कल जब इस नेशनल असेंबली के कार्यकाल के मात्र 2 दिन बचे थे, तो उन्होंने एक प्रस्ताव पारित किया है सर्वसम्मति से अपने नेशनल असेंबली में, जिसमें उन्होंने भारत की घोर भर्त्सना की है और जम्मू और कश्मीर जो हमारे देश का अभिन्न अंग है, उसको फिर हथियाने के लिए उन्होंने कोशिश की है इस प्रस्ताव के माध्यम से, और अंतर्राष्ट्रीय समुदाय से आग्रह किया है कि वो इसमें उनकी मदद करे। मैं आपसे करबद्ध प्रार्थना करता हूं और आपके माध्यम से सारे सदन से कि यह सदन भी एक प्रस्ताव पारित करे और सर्वसम्मति से पारित करे, जिसमें कि पाकिस्तान को इसका जवाब मिले।
We have with us External Affairs Minister Mr. Salman Khurshid after getting that resolution passed in Parliament. Mr. Khurshid, what was the motivation behind getting this resolution? Because some say you've unnecessarily validated what Pakistan did yesterday in the National Assembly.
We have done what the House wanted us to do. And I think before people pass judgment, they must know that when the House puts its mind together and with a sense approaches a particular issue, we must respect what the House wants to do. And I believe the House represents the soul of the people of our country, and the House felt that it was necessary that a categorical, united and a very precise statement be made to tell our counterparts across the border how we feel and how we reject what they have tried to do. I hope that they will get the message.
Sir, it's a very strongly worded resolution. Just last week we've seen you host a lunch for the Pakistani Prime Minister. Are we seeing any shifting of stance as far as our policy?
There's no shifting of stance. We are very clear. We don't do petty things. We don't do things in revenge. But we do what we believe is our obligation, duty. We are to serve our people first and then anyone else. Even when we reach out, even when we shake hands, it is done in the interest of the people of India, and not because we want to win some accolades or win some credit for ourselves.
There are reports that the Indo-Pak hockey tour is also being cancelled.
I have no knowledge of this. I don't have information. I wouldn't want to give you something on which I don't have.
Are we going to see any change in how we deal with Pakistan now? Because how do we
It all depends on how much change we see on the other side. I mean, I think that change is on one side represents change on the other side. So let us see how things move forward. Today, the news is, as you have today, tomorrow is another day. Thank you.